I know you've probably seen the gelatin trick all over the internet by now, and if you're here, it's because you want to understand what this is really about, not just hear the same vague explanations again. The truth is, most videos talk about the gelatin trick in a very shallow way. They don't explain the real objective behind this daily ritual or why so many people are actually sticking with it. This isn't about a recipe or something random. It's about a simple daily habit that fits into a routine many people follow when they're trying to keep their body lighter and more balanced over time. Now, I know the tutorial or full video of the trick may seem long, but this is something important when it comes to your health, and that's exactly why it's worth watching, especially because it explains the full truth behind this ritual, without shortcuts. If you want to see how the gelatin trick is meant to be used and understand the full context, the official link is available in the description of this video and also in the first pinned comment, so you can view everything safely and decide for yourself. I do recommend watching it before it goes offline, because this kind of detailed explanation doesn't usually stay available for long.